Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. I'm here with Klaiyi. Hair look good, feel great every day, all day, and that's on period. So I'm just doing a little unboxing so you guys can see the goods they sent over to your girl. I'm super excited for installing today's wig because she's a closure wig. So the girl got a 5x5 closure wig. This is a body wave hair texture and she is 24 inches. So we're gonna unpackage her and take the hairnet off of her and look at this gorgeousness. Okay, I like, what? Look how full and voluptuous those curls look. Okay, the hair was soft out the package, and as you guys can see, the hair was full from the root to the tip. So this is the underneath. Okay, the construction of the unit comes with 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings at the nape. And baby, look at the mount. Okay, I had to put it on my arm so you guys can see what is given. And the hairline, impeccable. Like, what? Klaiyi, I know y'all not doing it like that, but they are. All right, guys, so this is what the lace is, well, the wig is looking like when I first plop it on my head. I haven't washed it, conditioned it. This is the state as is. If you're an OG of mine, y'all already know I do this. When I'm lazy and don't feel like I need to bleach the knots, I just use some cream foundation and I just apply it all over the closure. And like I said, when the knots are super small, mostly on HD laces, you don't need to bleach it. You just don't, because you can't see it. I'm gonna seal all that in with some got2b glue spray and put some heat to it so it can dry. Now it's time to install her, and she looking good, okay? She looking like a snack. I'm super excited that they provided us with the middle part, because y'all know I be struggling here and there trying to get that part perfect in the center, but they did that for us. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little razor here and cut off the excess lace. So I always go in with scissors just to get the end off. This is what it's giving, y'all. It's giving melt, okay? It's giving skin. It's giving like what lace, and it's not even laid down, okay? What? I was about to use that wig grip they sent me and, you know, use that instead of, you know, using some got2b glue, but yeah. It didn't work, okay? It didn't happen. So I picked up my handy dandy got2b glue, and we're just gonna go ahead and secure it down. I put about 2 to 3 layers because I wanted it to be very, very secure. And closures, let me tell y'all, closures are the quickest installs you'll ever do in your life. I'm telling you, y'all, it takes me so quick to, you know, install these type of laces. So as you guys can see, this is it. Y'all just see I pull it down in place, and I'm making sure I'm stretching my closure to the furthest, well, I guess to as far as it can go, okay? Probably to the corner of my brow, because I want it to lay super, super flat. And I also want it to mimic like a frontal, okay? So for any sections that I miss, I always pull back on it, and then I just go back in and add a little more of that got2b glue. So I want to go ahead and applaud Klaiyi here, because the hairline is crazy. It is amazing. I did not plug this at all, y'all. So this is what you're getting when you order your hair, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, wrap her up with my little silk edge scarf thingy majiggy. And we're going to let that sit for about 5-10 minutes, and we're going to come back. It's been 5-10 minutes. So we're taking her off, and boom, bam, and boom, boom. Baby, what lace? Where did it go? Like, are you kidding me? They did a dang good job on this lace, okay? Because y'all know I have to always go in and pluck a closure. But Klaiyi, y'all just making my heart flutter, because it's like less work for me. So y'all know I just added my Erika J wax stick, and I'm just going in to hot comb it. I love how flat the unit is without even me having to go in to thin it out. This is what your closure unit should look like, okay? Period. Okay, so I'm going to define the part by adding just a little bit of concealer, just so my part can pop just a little bit more. This step is optional. Like y'all saw, it looked fine before I did that, but y'all know I'm extra. So y'all already know I had to pull out the baby hairs. Baby hairs are optional as well. Like I said, y'all seen how flawless this hairline was. This ain't even needed. It's not necessary. So this, I would definitely recommend this unit for beginners and also for my girls who hate baby hairs, because sis, you don't need it with this one. Okay, you don't need them at all. Look at the blend. Like, are you guys not seeing what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my little swoops. I'm actually using my got2b glue gel. And then with the gel, I always have to blow dry it, because I feel like, I don't know, the gel by itself, I'm just scared it's gonna lift up. So I use the gel, and then after I blow dry it, I seal everything in with my got2b glue spray again. But I'm just gonna be quiet because I'm just doing my baby hairs. All right, guys, so I'm just going to go in with my wide tooth comb and detangle the hair. I probably got 1 or 2 snags and tags during this process, as well as shedding. Honey, I couldn't find the shedding. Like I said, I didn't pluck this unit, and normally most of my shedding comes from me plucking, so it was not existent. I'm not saying that it's not going to shed or tangle on you, but as of right now, sis ain't got no problems, okay? So as you guys seen, I did add some Beyond the Zone. This is my heat protecting spray, and I'm gonna take some wand curls to, you know, put in the top of the hair. Like when I first get my body wave hair units, I do not like doing the whole thing. I just don't. So I just pretty much only manipulate the front, and we know you just fake a full voluptuous body wave type of look. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, y'all, but I just like to do the top of it and just leave the rest as is, okay? So I'm just gonna take a piece here, and we're gonna pin that section back, and I'm just gonna take, I don't know what size curling wand this is, but I'm gonna get a new curling wand, y'all, so y'all can get a set that, you know, because they don't have this one in stock. But I take it and wrap it underneath the wand. I hold it for about 30 to 60 seconds. I know I don't show it in the video because I edit that part out because it's too long. But yeah, after that, I spray it with some got2b glue, and you want to comb it out soon as you do that because you want it hot. I don't know why you want it hot, but it just works better when it's hot. So yeah, so that's pretty much how I get like fluffy body waves without doing the whole thing. Because like you see on the other side, the side that's not done, it's very flat. Okay, I just wanted to get the unit some volume, but I did not want to do the whole head. Just no. So that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. This hair was super soft, super gorgeous. Yeah, I haven't had no problems with it thus far. So that's it. I did spray a little more heat protectant on it just to give it a little bit of shine. Y'all, I could have just used like hair sheen or something like that, but I was too lazy to get it, so just use heat protectant. But this hair was a vibe. It's so cute. And y'all, it's a closure, okay? It does look like a full lace frontal, but y'all know what it is. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. All the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.